Hello, my name is Joanne.
And I am Gabriel Woon.
Together, we are presidents in Elken Global.
Elken has what we call the culture of the heart to heart. And that was what attracted me in the first place. They are just one big family. It was a tremendous feeling.
In Elken, I think it's the product come with the concept is also influenced me a lot to share all these good points to people that I know.
But more important, Elken continue to evolve. Elken continue to evolve to be relevant to the times. System is very, very important. This system, which we start from learning from the basic, and you can reach the top. And it is ever evolving in Elken itself.
Elken also have the platform to give us the recognition. So I think for me, recognition is always so important because when there is a recognition, meaning that you can feel, yes, I do it, I make it. So I really feel appreciate and also gratitude.
Here, the masses can reach the top. Everyone can, provided they trust and believe, right, in themselves and in Elken. And that's why, right, now we are not only a local company, we are now going global.
2020 for me is a very special year and also I'm very excited. Why? Because 2020 is Elken celebrate 25 years and I also follow Elken for past 23 years. So I'm so excited this 2020. Come, join us because this is really a fantastic year and we can achieve together.
Not only a fantastic year, the time is now. The decision is now. So let us journey to this great, wonderful 30 over countries this year and more to come.